Hi everyone, so today we'll be doing this Easter bunny garland stuff. It's all kind of a mess because it was just laying here, but this is what it looks like. We'll teach you how to make one of these little bunnies, and then you just make a whole bunch and put them on yarn, and boom, it's garland. So what you'll need is one pipe cleaner per bunny. I'm using purple because it stands out against my pink background. Pink, I always forget to not use it, but today I remember. So what you're first going to need to do is take your pipe cleaner of choice, what color you want. Take them based on the pattern I have. The last one I need to do is purple. I take it and I fold it. Fold it in half, but not completely. So you're going to have to open it back up. You just need to find the center. I wonder why the lighting's so weird. It looks so weird in here. Never mind. But then you go up a little bit. Not too far, because you want the bigger you make the body and the head of the rabbit, the smaller your ears will be, and you want your ears to be fairly large because it's a rabbit. So you go up about there, and then you make 2 twists. You only make one. When you open it back up and stuff in a little bit, it might untwist, so you want to make sure you wrap it twice. Then go up a little farther, but make sure not to go up as far as you did the first time because the head you want to be a little smaller. And then you make 2 twists again. And then you're going to go down to this first part. You're going to open it up and shape it into your rabbit's body, like that. Now, for the next part, you want to hold this, because while you're doing this part, these are going to move, so you want to hold these so they don't untwist while you open up your rabbit's head and make it round. Next, you can just squish these together like that, and then you can round it out a little more. And you kind of just adjust them until you like how it looks. And then when you have this, you have 2 really long rabbit ears. What you're going to do is take this and fold it in like that, and then make 1 twist, 2 twists if you think you need it, but 1 twist can work. Then just do the same with the other ear. 1 twist, I'm going to do 2 twists, and now you have a rabbit. And now you can just rewatch the video and make a whole bunch of them, and then when you're done with that, you just take it. You can, since these are like, if you make your holes big enough, you can just shove the yarn right through. But I found it easier if you put like a yarn needle on your yarn. It just makes it easier. You can either go in and then out, or out and then in, depending on how you want it. This was what the yarn, how it would lay if you go in then out. This is how it would lay if you go out then in. I like how it looks when I go in through the one ear and then back out through the other. That's how I like it. But you can do either way. And then you have it. And then when you hang it up, you can just, they're really hard to adjust when they're just like this. You can just hang them up and then adjust them. And since they're pipe cleaners and it's yarn, they kind of stick to each other, so they should stay roughly where you want them. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you make a whole bunch of them, I made a whole bunch. I'll probably replace the snowflakes for a little while. So if you like pipe cleaner crafts, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any ideas, and subscribe. Bye!